How I dominate Russia. 1905. I still remember. I remember the day that I'm not die. I'll die. I come to Arabia. I showed them my passport. I told them, oh, hey, all of you, I'm Arabian. And all of them laugh at me. I'm 4 years old that time. Laugh at me. He said, if you're Arabian, they're drinking that time. Drink this alcohol. And I said, no, I'm a child. I don't like a fight. And my eyes is so sharp to look at them. I don't know if they're scared and they laugh at me. Laugh as hell. And they said, alright, if you're not drinking, maybe you're smoking. And I smoke so majoric. It's called, I said, this is majoric. It's like not high, but majoric taste. And they said, oh, Justice Majoric, you're correct. That is tobacco. I said, tobacco? Matabacco? No. Sorry for my Tagalog word. English. Tobacco? What tobacco is this? So neutral taste in the brain. And I smoke. I finish, I think 4 sticks. I said 4 sticks because I'm 4 years old. And okay, to them, I said, oh, they are all laugh at me. I said, you're Arabian. And they kissed me in the cheek and said, welcome, you're Arabian. And 7 days, 8 days, 9 days, 11 days, 10 days, 12 days, fast. And I eat with them. And I'm smoke with them. But I'm not drinking because I'm just a child. I don't like my brain to be immature. Like other drunkard that immature. When they drink, they are thinking the unreal situations. Unreal. It's like alcohol is their exit to the problem, to the hardness. No, it's not good. But no one to blame. I can blame them if that they're their exit. They're their exit to their stress. But like what I said, that the Bible says, strong alcohol is a poison. Poison. It's like snake bite you. Snake bite you? Like, what are you? They said, we're Arabian. We can control ourselves. We're not like other lineage, the drunkard. And then they show me that on the 12 days I've been with them. And I go travel to Russia. They give me camels. They not give me cars because there's no cars that time. Yes, there's no cars that time. They give me camels. They give me 3 camels. No, not 3, 13. They said to me, bad luck to you if you leave us. And I said, I need to go to Russia now. I am citizen of Russia as well. I want there because many what? I'm just a child and recognize beautiful girls, and you all fucking guy. What I can get from you? And they said they all laugh. Okay, that's a 13 camels we give you. Bad luck to you. And I scratched my head. And I shook my head. Like the song Shook. A thousand poor carts. Bad luck. And I travel. From Arabia to Russia is too far. 17 days, 18 days, 19 days, 27 days, 27 days that time because the land is not like now. 27 days I travel and I reach Russia. I have the likum in my face and they all laugh. Who are you? They said, the guard. I said, I'm Russian. Take off the cover of your face. I take off the cover. I'm like that. I'm so handsome to their face. I don't know if they're fucking jealous. Because I'm so gorgeous. Oh, no. I can use gorgeous because I'm a male. I'm handsome. Like you have some cigarettes? I have here cigarettes. No, I don't like your cigarettes. I just have here 2 packets of 7. 14. I said I am 4 and I'm a teen. Oh, then they heard a word teen. And then they talk. They said Slokara besneka just like listen that make it just like that fan. And she said, oh fucking this guy want our children. He want our children. He want our children and he want to fuck our children. He want to fuck and go to the king and they open the gates and they second the straka by like come. Said, this guy is entry door. He want to fuck our child and tell the king. And they tell to the king. And they all laugh. And the child that strong enough to face them and tell I'm a Russian and the Russian king that many names clap his son. He said, who's that teen? Like so mean? Like you are king? For what you need to pay for coming in our kingdom. I said, I'm a Russian. I have a passport here. And I showed them the passport. Russian passport. See the space? I'm a Russian. Citizen of Russia. And who the fuck you are? Then the king of many names says, who the fuck you are? Go away. And they hold me in my 2 hands. And they get all my camels. And they kick me in the ass. I'm so sad that time. I'm so fucking sad that my countrymen kicked me in the ass to what? To go away and what? To live in other country because they kicked me in the ass. I said, one fucking day, I will come back. Not as a child, but as a teen. A teen, an adult, whatever it is. That's how I conquer Russia. Oh, no. I'm not yet started. And I walk far away, miles to miles, and miles. I walk and I see this beautiful country full of beautiful people. Oh, where I am. Then I check my fourth passport. This is Mongolia. Yes. And I told them, I go to inside, and I told them, they asked me, who you are? I said, I'm Mongolian. This is my passport. See? I'm a citizen of Mongolia. And they said, wait there, okay? They call a beautiful queen, a child queen. He's a child star now, but before, he's a child queen. And I said, Queen Marian, there's a child here saying he's a citizen of Mongolia. And she come down to her throne and asked me, who are you? I'm Melonda. Melonda? Yes. Oh, you're so handsome. Handsome came from a beautiful queen, child queen. And I am 4 years old that time. And how old are you? She said, I am 4. Oh, we're the same. I am 4 years old as well. I said, really? So I am the queen and you are the king of Mongolia. And I'm cry to myself. A warm welcome that's give to me. Unlike Russia, my countrymen kick me in the ass and said, go fucking away, don't show yourself anymore, and I will be the king of Mongolia. And I will grow up from 4 to 14, a teen or an adult. I train myself and I train an army. We go to Japan and conquer them. Soak them in their own fucking blood. We go to Vietnam. We kill all of them. We go to Europe. And we kill all of them. We spare only a child and a female. We go to Greece. They're all gods there. And I told to my 2 soldiers, wait, I just make a strategy. Wait, don't go first. But they see someone coming and they're ready to fight and they're dead. Man, I feel that time that we are lost. And I said, tell them, obey my command. Okay, tell them, go and be invincible to the first, and lamb to the second. And then kill them all. And all Greek gods, dads, and when it comes to plant, it soaked them to their own fucking blood. And I said to myself, I can kill all gods. And now I will back to Russia. And we go to Russia. We are blessed. I'm mourning because 2 of my soldiers died. We go to Russia. There's a big battle. Same strategy I said. I tell them, invisible to the first, lamb to the second. And we kill them all. Whisper the child, young child, girl child, and female. We kill them all to stab and bow and arrows. And the time come, while they are fighting, I saw a king that have many names. And I tell to myself, this is the fucking king who kicked me in the ass. You are not my countryman anymore. And we fight by stab. And he got 21 stab, not 21 guns, like what Green Day said. Now you will pay for what you've done. And he is fucking dead. All dead. And I talked to all the Russian female and child, young child. I told them, one day, all of you will become my wives. And they laughed so hard. They said, you kill our king? And who are to say no? I said, I'm joking. And they're so fucking angry. I said, not now, but later. And they said, okay, you want to stay in Russia? I said, no way. They kicked my ass away. And then I go to Mongolia, and the queen, beautiful queen, accept me and said I'm the king of Mongolia. And what a feelings of healings for what the kings of Russia done to me. That's how I conquer Russia.